Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll be talking about what are the eligibility criteria for a Bendigo Bank's credit card. So according to the Bendigo's bank credit card, there are certain eligibility criteria that you must meet in order to apply for the credit card or to be an account holder in one of these existing bank accounts. So for that, go to this link, that is www.bendigobank.com.au/personal credit card. This is going to take you to their official page. So over here, scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see the types of credit card that they offer. So according to the Bendigos, the eligibility criteria for all of these credit card is same. So you could go ahead and click on apply for Bendigo just in order to see the eligibility criteria. So click on check my eligibility. So over here you can see that you're an individual, not a company, and that you're 18 years of age, and that you're not currently bankrupt or insolvent, and if you're looking for a credit card for personal use and not for the business use, and you should be applying for a credit card in your name only. So likewise, you need to go with the next. So go to your residency. So first thing, you have to be an Australian citizen or a permanent resident who is living or working in Australia. Likewise, you should be the holder of one of these following acceptable visa subclasses and have applied for a permanent residency and minimum of 12 months remaining on your visa. Likewise, you could go to the next, that is your income. So first of all, you need to have a regular income from one of these following, that is permanent or non-permanent and casual employment. So these are the eligibility criteria. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.